Hey, Speedy. Are you ready for 5 surprising garlic facts? No, not those ones. Not so fast. Let's go. Hey, everyone. Today I'm excited to share 5 amazing benefits of garlic that are backed by science. But first, stick around till the end because I've got a bonus benefit for you. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking garlic is just some random, smelly thing that makes your breath stink. Well, I'm here to tell you that garlic is actually a superfood, and it has been used for thousands of years for its incredible health benefits. So get ready to learn all about the amazing things that garlic can do for your body. Garlic is known as nature's medicine, and for good reason, too. This humble bulb has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments from colds and flu to high blood pressure and even some types of infections. So let's take a closer look at the science behind this natural remedy and see how garlic can benefit us today. Benefit number 1, garlic can help boost your immune system. Have you ever wondered why your mom always tells you to eat your vegetables? Well, it's because they want you to have a strong immune system. And guess what? Garlic can help with that. A study published in the Journal of Nature Medicine showed that garlic supplements can help lower the risk of catching a cold. And if you do get sick, it can help you recover faster. The reason for this is that garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has powerful antibacterial and antiviral properties. Allicin is what gives garlic its pungent smell and flavor, but it's also what makes it so effective at fighting off harmful pathogens. So next time you're feeling a little under the weather, reach for the garlic. Benefit number 2, garlic can help lower blood pressure. Did you know that high blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke? Well, garlic may be able to help keep your blood pressure in check. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating garlic supplements can help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. The reason for this is that garlic contains a compound called nitric oxide, which helps to relax and widen your blood vessels, which lowers blood pressure. So if you're looking for a natural way to lower your blood pressure, add some garlic to your diet. Benefit number 3, garlic can help improve athletic performance. Are you an athlete looking to improve your game? Well, garlic may be able to help you out on the field. A study published in the Journal of Garlic and Herb Research found that taking garlic supplements can help improve exercise performance by increasing the amount of oxygen in your body. This can help you run faster, jump higher, and lift more weights. Garlic can also help reduce muscle soreness and fatigue, so you can work out harder and recover faster. So if you're looking to take your athletic performance to the next level, consider adding garlic to your training regimen. Benefit number 4, garlic can help fight cancer. Cancer is a disease that occurs when cells grow uncontrollably and can spread to other parts of the body. And while there is no cure for cancer, there are things you can do to lower your risk of developing it. Garlic may be one of those things. A study published in the Journal of Translational Medicine found that garlic extracts can help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. The reason for this is that garlic contains a compound called organosulfur, which has been shown to have anti-cancer properties. So if you're worried about cancer, add some garlic to your diet. Benefit number 5, garlic can help lower cholesterol. High levels of LDL, or bad cholesterol, can increase your risk of developing heart disease. But garlic may be able to help keep your cholesterol levels in check. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating garlic supplements can help lower levels of LDL cholesterol. The reason for this is that garlic contains compounds that help reduce the amount of cholesterol absorbed by your body. So if you're looking for a natural way to lower your cholesterol, give garlic a try. So there you have it, 5 amazing benefits of garlic that are backed by science. Plus, garlic is a superfood that can help boost your immune system, lower blood pressure, improve athletic performance, fight cancer, and lower cholesterol. And the best part is that garlic is a delicious and easy way to add flavor and nutrition to your meals. So next time you're cooking, reach for the garlic and enjoy the savory taste and amazing benefits. But wait, there's more. Garlic is a truly remarkable substance that has been used for centuries to treat a variety of ailments. One of the most common questions I get asked is, does garlic really help with your blood sugar? And the answer is yes. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which has been shown to help lower blood sugar levels. In fact, a study published in the Pakistan Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences found that garlic supplements can help lower fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes. So if you're looking for a natural way to help manage your blood sugar levels, definitely consider adding garlic to your diet. Well, folks, that's a wrap on today's video. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the amazing benefits of garlic. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on future videos. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.